Hi, this is Avik Bhattacharya from Outlook Magazine. So today we are here at Ujjain. As you know that for the last few days we have been roaming around in the western Madhya Pradesh to understand the politics of Malwa Nimar region. That's one of the major or one of the most important regions for this Madhya Pradesh Assembly elections. So today we are here to understand that what is the importance of Malwa Nimar region, and not only that, it is said that among the 47 ST seats, whoever is going to win or whoever is going to gain out of this 47 ST seats, they are going to form the Madhya Pradesh government. To understand what is the actual ground reality, or what are the major political thoughts that actually work behind this sort of narratives, we have come to Jen, Madhya Pradesh Institute of Social Science Research, and today we have with us the director of Madhya Pradesh Institute of Social Science Research, Dr. Sisodia. So welcome, Dr. Sisodia. So
Thank you.
yeah. So we will like to understand that as saying that there are 47 STCs, and it is being said that for the last 20 years, it is seen that whenever any party gains in it, they form the government. So why do you think it is so important, this 47 seats, and Adivasis how determine the whole political situation of Madhya Pradesh? You can tell us.
Yeah, Madhya Pradesh should always be seen in terms of the regions, and there are different regions, but the tribal concentration is confined to the Malwa Nimad region, another is the Vindh region, and the Mahakosal region. The highest sizable presence of the tribal constituency is from the tribal Nimad region. And out of 28 seats, last time the Congress was able to garner 21 seats, and that is the change maker in terms of 2018 results. And we have seen in the state of Madhya Pradesh in the last 20 years that BJP was getting extraordinarily good results from this region in 2003, 2008, 2013. And when this table was turned in 2018, the result came in favor of Congress.
Hmm.
So these 47 seats are going to be very, very decisive in terms of even 2023's results. And the major narrative which has been created by the sentiments of the individuals. Even BJP has tried hard to address the issue of the tribals. They are calling the Adivasi as Vanvasi.
Mm-hmm.
They have they have tried to revoke the PESA, very important progressive law which is meant for the tribal population.
Yes, yes.
They have even uh, given due weightage to Tatya Bhil and Birsa Munda and all that. So reason is very specific that they want to capture the tribal vote. But tribal uh, affinity in terms of the vote is not always in favor of only BJP.
Hmm. Hmm.
They have been giving vote to Congress, and
Hmm.
this is what we have seen in 2018. And
Mhm.
there is no big reason that the en masse vote is going to change in favor of BJP in 2023. So
Hmm.
this tricky situation is going to take the final call in terms of the results of 2023, and it is not practically possible to get such a mammoth victory for BJP in tribal region, because all the major surveys which have taken place in the
Hmm.
last few months
Hmm.
are suggesting that the tribal regions Congress is gaining.
Hmm.
And if this is what the feeler is coming from the pre-poll surveys or opinion polls,
Hmm.
then it shows that despite all efforts, the BJP's situation is not extraordinarily well in this region, but the last result is going to be the determinant factor for both Congress and BJP in this region.
Exactly. Lastly, one thing, sir, that as you rightly said that they are revoking fifth schedule, they are revoking PESA, but Congress is even promising that they are going to give sixth schedule to all those regions, because this all 89 blocks, the tribal of 89 blocks, what Shivraj Singh Chauhan has currently, right, for the last few years has given, like, distributing ration, free ration, and so so on and so forth. So, do you think it's actually possible to mark them six schedule area, or is it just a hollow promise? What do you say?
No, look, if you look at the decentralization, the decentralization has taken place in the time of Congress, and Madhya Pradesh was the first state to implement both 73rd Amendment Act and likewise the case of PESA Act. PESA Act was in fact came into being in the year 1997, and Madhya Pradesh was the first state in 1998 to implement the PESA. And now the new rules are framed. So PESA is not a new for the tribal community. PESA has a history of 25 years. So now both the major political parties are making their own claims in terms of the best they have done for the tribal community. But now the election has gone into a very close fight, and this close fight is going to be very strong decider, and the victory margin will be very very minimal in this time, as well as we have seen in 2018. So the crucial factors or defectors or dissenters or rebellions or sabotagers are going to change the scenario for any potential winning candidate.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Dr. Sisodia. So you can understand that what is the politics over there in the Malwa-Nima region, and how the tribal votes are going to actually determine who is going to take over Madhya Pradesh in the next election. So in this context, I like to conclude through some observations that when we were across roaming around this Malwa-Nima region, and we were trying to understand the internal politics, as Dr. Sisodia rightly says, there is a sort of inclination toward Congress that can be seen, but still the way the other surveys in the last few days, or rather